and welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I am here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. Today we are going to be talking about a small segment of our product category, Bristol board. And if you haven't thought about it, Bristol is great. I love it. And if you haven't tried it, you should. Bristol is great for drawing, sketching, graphite, pen and ink, and also will take light washes of color, all that kind of good stuff. But you may not know what the origin of Bristol came from. But knowing this will help you understand Bristol better. Bristol paper or Bristol board actually came from the southwest portion of England in Bristol, England. It was actually invented from a couple of gentlemen who worked in the paper industry and were lamenting the toils of having to make thicker paper and thought to themselves, I should make my life a whole lot easier. And instead of milling a heavier weight paper, what would happen if we just glued thinner sheets together to make thicker ones? And voila, then you have Bristol. So that is why you will see Bristol board labeled via 2-ply, 2 pieces glued together, 3-ply, 3 pieces glued together, 4-ply, 4 pieces glued together. So those definitions have to do with how many pieces of paper were sequentially formed to make the board. Then also for definition purposes, you will need to know that the vellum surface is actually when they adhere the pieces together with pressure. And so it doesn't affect the tooth of the paper at all. And so you have a little bit of surface to that Bristol board, whereas plate actually has to do with using pressure and heat to glue the Bristol together, and therefore you get a much smoother, almost glass-like surface, which is, I love it. But that's where those two definitions come from. So when you're looking at Bristol, that's how those came about. So now you know a little bit more about Bristol board, and think about trying some. Bet you'll like it. Enjoy!